Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Roblox not launching. So let's get started. So if you want to fix this problem where your Roblox application is not launching, so now to fix that, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. So now just simply tap on the Windows icon. So after tapping on the Windows icon, now you will find this Windows bar. From here, what you have to do is just simply search for remove program. So here you will find add or remove program. Just simply tap on it. And after tapping on that, from here in search bar, you have to search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, just tap on the three dotted icon. And after tapping on the three dotted icon, just simply tap on advanced options. And after tapping on advanced option, now what you have to do is just simply tap on terminate. And after terminating it, now what you have to do is just simply scroll down and then tap on reset. So here you just have to tap on repair, and here you have to tap on reset. Just tap on reset, and after repairing and resetting it, it should fix the problem. So after doing this, it should fix the problem. But so if that did not fix the problem, then what you have to do is from your keyboard, just simply type in Windows plus R. And after doing that, over here, you just have to type in percent app data percent. And after typing in that, just simply tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, over here, you just have to search for Roblox. So from here, just simply tap on app data and then tap on local. And after tapping on local, now here you just have to find your Roblox. After finding the Roblox folder, what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then delete it. And after deleting it, what you have to do is just simply come back. And after coming back, just simply open up your Microsoft Store. And after opening up your Microsoft Store, now in the search bar, you have to search for Roblox. So simply go ahead and then search for Roblox. And after searching for Roblox, you should find Roblox game. What you have to do is just simply install it. And after installing it, it should fix the problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Roblox not launching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.